In Richmond, your gas appliances could be a silent threat, more deadly than a house fire. Carbon monoxide poisoning kills over 400 Americans a year, and the first signs feel just like the flu. But here's one warning you can't miss. Look at the flame on your gas stove or furnace. Is it a steady blue? Good. But if you see yellow or orange flames, shut the appliance off immediately. This is a critical sign of incomplete combustion, creating deadly carbon monoxide. Protect your family. To learn all the critical warning signs, read our new blog post linked in the description. For expert gas appliance repair in Richmond, call Top Appliance Repair Richmond today.